Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best gaming keyboard in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading gaming keyboard that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So, without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The RK Royal KLUDGE RK61 Wired 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This ultra-compact, hot-swappable keyboard is perfect for gamers and typists alike. The RK61 features a minimalist design with 61 keys, saving space for mouse movement and keeping your desk tidy. It's a top choice for FPS gamers who need efficiency. Equipped with red switches, this keyboard offers fast action with minimal resistance. The smooth and quiet mechanical stroke is ideal for both office typing and gaming sessions. With 18 RGB backlight modes and 8 monochrome options, the RK61 provides a customizable and enjoyable lighting experience. You can even control single-key colors through the software. Compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac, this keyboard ensures a smooth gaming experience with full-key anti-ghosting. The detachable USB-C cable adds portability and customization. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the stare-up keycaps provide maximum comfort, reducing hand fatigue during a long use. It's perfect for gamers, office workers, and typists. In conclusion, overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE RK61 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a compact, customizable, and comfortable mechanical keyboard. Number 4. The Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard. This compact powerhouse promises speed, customization, and durability. The Razer linear optical switches use light-based actuation, making them faster than traditional mechanical switches. With a 1.0mm actuation distance, your key presses register at lightning speed. Experience ultimate personalization with Razer Chroma RGB lighting. Sync it with your favorite games and hardware, and enjoy 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys for immersive gaming. The oil-resistant double-shot PBT keycaps are textured and durable, ensuring your keyboard stays grime-free and looking fresh, even after intense gaming sessions. With onboard memory, you can save your custom settings directly to the keyboard. This means your personalized setup is always with you. No matter where you game, Razer's Snap Tap feature prioritizes the latest input between assigned keys, providing truly responsive in-game movement. Toggle it on or off in Razer Synapse for optimal performance. In conclusion, the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% gaming keyboard is a fantastic choice for gamers seeking speed, customization, and durability. Its compact design doesn't compromise on performance. Number 3. The Corsair K55 Core RGB membrane-wired gaming keyboard. This budget-friendly keyboard promises quiet, responsive switches, spill resistance, and stunning RGB lighting. The K55 Core features quiet, responsive membrane switches. These switches provide a smooth typing experience, perfect for late-night gaming sessions without disturbing others. Plus, they offer a tactile feel that enhances your gameplay. Let's talk about the 10-zone RGB backlighting. This keyboard allows you to customize your lighting effects, creating a mesmerizing gaming setup. The vibrant colors and dynamic effects will make your gaming sessions truly immersive. The K55 Core comes with dedicated media controls. With 4 buttons for volume and playback, you can easily manage your media without interrupting your game. The win lock and brightness buttons add extra convenience. The K55 Core has you covered with its 300 milliliter spill resistance. You can enjoy your drinks while gaming without fear of damaging your keyboard. It's a practical feature for any gamer. The 12-key rollover and 1000 Hz polling rate ensure your keyboard keeps up with your fast-paced actions. No more missed keystrokes or delays, just smooth, responsive gameplay. In conclusion, the Corsair K55 Core RGB gaming keyboard offers great value with its quiet switches, customizable RGB, media controls, spill resistance, and high performance. It's a fantastic choice for gamers on a budget. Number 2. The Snpurdiri 60% Wired Gaming Keyboard. This compact RGB backlit waterproof keyboard is perfect for gamers, typists, and travelers alike. This keyboard's 60% design is ultra-compact, making it ideal for any environment. Whether you're gaming, working, or traveling, its small size frees up valuable desk space. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this keyboard ensures comfort during long sessions. It mimics the feel of a mechanical keyboard, providing a satisfying yet quiet typing experience. Featuring 6 backlight effects and 8 color options, this keyboard lets you customize your setup. Adjust the lighting speed and level to match your mood or gaming style. The black and white design adds a touch of elegance. Its detachable cable and USB Type-C connection make it easy to carry and connect, perfect for on-the-go use. In conclusion, overall, the Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a compact, stylish, and functional keyboard. Number 1. The SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB Gaming Keyboard. This budget-friendly keyboard packs a punch with its impressive features. Let's explore why this might be the perfect addition to your gaming setup. The IP32 water resistance. This feature ensures your keyboard is protected from accidental spills, making it durable and reliable. No more worries about those late-night gaming sessions with drinks nearby. The 10-zone RGB illumination. This keyboard offers stunning color schemes and reactive effects, allowing you to customize your gaming experience. The vibrant lighting adds a dynamic touch to your setup, making every session visually exciting. The Whisper Quiet gaming switches are a game changer. These nearly silent switches provide up to 20 million low-friction key presses, ensuring a smooth and quiet gaming experience. Perfect for those who prefer a quieter environment. Comfort is key, and the premium magnetic wrist rest delivers. It provides full palm support, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. The magnetic attachment ensures it stays in place, offering consistent comfort. The dedicated multimedia controls. Adjust your volume and settings on the fly without interrupting your game. These controls add convenience and enhance your overall gaming experience. In conclusion, the SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB gaming keyboard combines durability, customization, comfort, and convenience. It's a fantastic choice for gamers looking for a reliable and feature-packed keyboard. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.